Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we'll be talking about how to use Google Ads for keyword research. Yep, beyond just advertising, Google Ads lets you in on valuable search data for free. Here's how it works. Once you're logged in to your Google Ads account, you can go on the tools section here on the left side, click on Keyword Planner, and then click on Discover New Keywords right here. Here you can enter any keyword, so let's do coffee mugs. And once you click Get Results right here, Google will suggest tons of new keyword ideas that people are searching for. Right here. See what I mean? We can see new question semantics, types of coffee mugs, top brands, you name it. And no costs. It's just showing us searches people are already entering tied to our niche. So now that we have these, we can create hyper-relevant ads and optimize content for exactly what people want. Now you can tap into Google's vault of search data through ads for killer keyword research. Use it for both paid campaigns and SEO content creation. Super powerful and super helpful. Speaking of helpful, if this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to leave a comment down below, hit like, and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you guys next time.